Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify TikTok shop automation with AI product captions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify TikTok shop automation with AI product captions, start by logging into your TikTok shop account. Navigate to the products section on your dashboard. Select the product for which you want to implement AI captions. Check if the TikTok shop automation feature is enabled for your account. If not, look for settings or integrations that allow you to enable automation. Once enabled, head to the AI caption generator tool available in the platform. Input relevant product details such as features, specifications, and target audience. Generate the captions and review them for relevance and creativity. Ensure that the captions align with TikTok's guidelines for content. Save the generated captions and attach them to the respective product listing. Next, create a test video using the product and include the AI-generated captions. Publish the video to your TikTok profile and observe its performance. Monitor user engagement, comments, and insights related to the post. Evaluate the effectiveness of the AI captions based on feedback and analytics. If necessary, refine the captions for future use based on results. Continue to experiment with different styles and tones to find what resonates best with your audience. Repeat these steps for additional products in your TikTok shop to optimize your automation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.